Hey guys, it's Saturday 1 o'clock and it's right now beginning to snow. Can you guys see the little snowflakes falling? I can, but I don't know if the video is picking it up. But it's flurrying now, and Mitchell Davis show is at 6, and they're saying there's supposed to be a couple of inches on the ground by 6 o'clock. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to go to the Mitchell Davis show. Like, if there's a couple inches on the ground, I'm not going to be able to go, which is going to stink. But I really hope it holds up, but it's starting to come down pretty hard now. It's going onto my jacket. It's freezing cold outside right now. Dying. But it just started like a minute ago, and apparently they're saying a couple inches in a few hours, so I'm going to film that too. And if I do go to the Mitchell Davis show, I will film it. But if I don't, I will let you guys know that I can't. But I really hope I can go, and I'm shaking now because I'm cold. I really can't wait to make a snowman. That's if the snow is wet. I want to make a snowman. I like making snowmen. It's cold. Oh, man. Let's see if we can spy on my grandparents. Hi! They hate it when I film them. So the last clip was about 45 minutes ago. And now I just came back outside, and it's still snowing. Now it's snowing harder. It's about time. And I'm documenting this snowstorm. I'm a loser. I don't care. I love the snow. Except, this is probably going to stop me from going to Mitchell's show tonight. The show's like in 4 hours, but if the snow continues like this, I'm not going to be able to drive. It's going to be a mess. Oh well, but it's like sticking everywhere. It's gonna be like a foot of snow by tomorrow. I said that before, but I just said it again. It's snowing hard. It's cold. It's freezing. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside now. It's coming down. It's sticking all over the place. I'm excited. I'm live on Blog TV and filming a video with my flip cam. I'm bored. Hi. This is going on my second channel, guys. Everyone say hi. I've done this before. And that's Nathaniel Jones co-hosting. Hey everybody, I'm still on Blog TV chilling with Steve. Nathan was just on camera, but this is Steve. Look in your camera. Yeah, that's Steve. He's the man. He's the man with the guitar. And we got our awesome operators. We have Cabell Sorg, we have Nathaniel, we got Mitchie the Ripper, Rebecca, and we have Steven, of course, playing the guitar. Lots of fun. Because I'm snowed in. It's snowing outside. We're all snowed in. We're all gonna die. Gingerbread cookies.
They're not gingerbread.
And, where are they? This is, what's this, Amanda?
I don't know.
Meat.
We're not making it.
And it seems like some other type of mixture. Anyways, that's a snowman.
Look at this.
It's coming down like crazy now. And they're saying, how many inches tonight? 8 to 12 inches tonight for us. Can't wait. It's going to be a ton of snow by the morning. I think I'm going to go see Avatar tonight. That's if the snow doesn't hold me up. Hey, it's me! That's me when I graduated high school back in '82. So after showing you guys what the snow looked like out the window, I just decided to come outside. What the heck. But right now, we have like barely nothing on the floor. Just a covering of snow. But I'm hoping by tomorrow it gets bad. It's like half an inch on the ground right now. And when I step on it, those are my footprints. It's dark out. I'm walking in the snow now, much different than it was before. Actually, not that much different. It's just there's a lot of snow. And this is probably my last update for the night. And I'll probably wake up tomorrow to a few more inches. So I'll show you guys tomorrow. I'm going to make a video in the snow. I'm excited, and I'm freezing, so I'm going to go back inside. the next morning. This is what we got. I'm bundled up. I feel extremely fat right now. I just woke up. I'm tired, but check this out. We got like, oh, this is like, I'm predicted like 10 inches on the ground. About it. And this is so awesome. Look at all this. Don't you wish you had snow where you live? Beautiful. I'm tired. I just shoveled all this right here to the front. I'm tired. Oh, I don't even know what I look like right now. Beautiful stuff. If you live in Florida or some really warm state that doesn't get snow, move away to a place like New Jersey where it gets to be 100 degrees in the summer and really cold in the winter. It's like 19 degrees right now. It's pretty warm. But snow is so much fun. See, the whole yard's perfect right now. Later I'm going to film my video playing in the snow. Oh, I'm sick. I should stop working. After this, I'm going to go inside, have some hot cocoa, and chill.